Croeso i'r sampl Creu o gyfaint 6. Trwy ddilyn cystadleuaeth brwd, mae tîm o diwtoriad ac arbenigwyr y diwydiant wedi dewis y 12 trac canlynol sy'n hynod o greadigol a gwreiddiol i gynrychioli Ysgol Cerddoriaeth a Sain Prifysgol De Cymru. Mwynhewch.
Welcome to the Create Samplwr Volume 6. Following steep competition, a team of tutors and industry specialists have selected the following 12 outstandingly creative and original tracks to represent the School of Music and Sound at the University of South Wales. Enjoy.
Hi, so I'm Maisie. I wrote this song. It's called Girls. It's just about dating. Yeah. That's what he told me. And he has mommy issues, don't think she will approve. That's what he told me. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. I know what he's thinking. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. I know what he's thinking. He's just thinking about girls, 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 girls. Polar bears for apologies that don't make sense to me. And he has old photographs of someone else's ass that don't make sense to me. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. I know what he's thinking. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. I know what he's thinking. He's just thinking about girls, 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 He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. He's just thinking about girls, 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 girls. He's got a past, says he moves on too fast if we don't last. I know what he's thinking. He's just thinking about girls, 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 girls. Shh, boys.
My name is Dan Stockton, and yeah, this is my song is called I'm Still in Love with You. Thank you very much for, accepting it onto the Create vinyl. Really appreciate it. And just a little bit of backstory about the song. I was on the way to the shower, I was all dressed in my robe, as you do. And then this melody came to my head. I was like, oh, well, this far, just to see who you are. So I quickly, instead of going in the shower, I went to record it, found a little guitar loop, layered some drums on it. And yeah, I came out with this song, and I submitted it for BBC Introducing, and it was lucky enough to be played on there on the Adam Walton show, and it's lucky enough to end up on the Samplwr. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy. Cheers. I woke walked this far just to see who you are. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. I walked 10 miles so I could see you smile. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. I don't want to fight about our situation anymore. I don't want to go over the same things that we said before. Every time we fight I feel like we are repeating ourselves, analyzing the situation when we just need some help. I walked this far just to see who you are. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. I walked 10 miles so I could see you smile. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. Come over my place and maybe we can talk it out. Tell me things that you would never say out loud. But every time I see you all I wanna do is cry. Staring at the ground cause I can't look you in the eye. The eye. Staring at the ground cause I can't look you in the eye. Can't look you in the eye. Walk this far just to see who you are. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. I walked 10 miles so I could see you smile. I don't know why I'm still in love with you. You, I'm still in love with you. You, I'm still in love with you. Thank you. Cheers, guys.
And I'm a schizophrenic. It's lovely to meet you all. This next song of mine is called Schizotypal Decay, and it is about my own experience with schizophrenia in my head. Influence-wise, it's kind of like Bjorkish, kind of folky, maybe. A lot of electronic stuff, a lot of weird stuff, and some elements like music concrete. I really want to explain in my head how it felt to feel those things in a musical passage. So I will warn, it's weird, more than anything. It's loud in capacities, I guess, and ultimately a bit fucky, for lack of a better word. But if you would, do me a favor, just listen. Thank you very much.
From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great, but if it had to perish twice, ice would suffice. The angels not half so happy in heaven, when can be infirmity? Yes, that was the reason, as all men know, in this kingdom by the sea, that the wind came out of the cloud by night, chilling and killing my Annabelle. And so, all the night tide, I lie down by the side of my darling, my life and my bride, in her sepulchre there by the sea, in her tomb by the sounding sea, of the beautiful Annabelle Lee. It's such a crime to drown a mind in atrophy, as the screaming lies dormant, slowly decaying, forgetting the mad symphony. If you burn the books of memory, and lie singing in the cold, can you question the disgusted, and pretend not to lust the bold? When all is said and all is done, a hollow shell of a mind once won. If that passionate flame dies out, a poisoned soul has won.
Hello, my name is Laura Duarte. I'm from Portugal. So today I'm going to sing an original song called 4 AM, which was a collaboration with this guy over here, that girl over there, and that girl, not girl, boy over there. So yeah, I hope you like it. 4 AM in the morning, I'm calling you, baby, please come over. Let's get on the vibe, let's make love tonight. Don't give me your bullshit, baby, just tell me pretty lies. Hold me closer, keep me away from reality. Let's not talk about it, I just wanna feel your body. Come on, baby, let's do it. Together we can get through it. Woo, yeah, yeah. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you ride around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed I won't deny. Yeah, oh, bet you do me right. Yeah, oh, bet you do me right. On the bed I won't deny it. Yeah, oh, bet you do me right. Stop playing games. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Just let the moment take us. These confessions won't break us. It could only make us. Come on, baby, let's do it. Together we can get through it. Woo. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you ride around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed I won't deny. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed I won't deny it. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. If you want to mess around, don't tell me. Every time you ride around, I'm blazing. I'm aware you're telling lies, but I wear to close my eyes. On the bed I won't deny. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. On the bed I won't deny it. Yeah, oh, babe, you do me right. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We wrote a song. Yeah, that's why we're here. Yeah, we collaborated.
Yeah.
And Josh,
Yeah.
who's not here,
Yeah.
awesome drummer. Yeah.
Yeah. So we collaborated on the song on the songwriting masters course. We kind of just jumped in a rehearsal studio and just started jamming. We didn't really have an idea what to start off with, so me and Josh just started jamming. I came up with a little riff, and then we kind of just let the lyrics over to Rachel then, and she just started writing lyrics.
Singing nonsense, doing dummy lyrics.
Pretty much. And then we developed it into a demo, and then we submitted that to be recorded in Rockfield Studios with a couple of musicians, and we recorded it there. We kind of guided them for what we liked and what we wanted the song to sound like, and we came up with a song.
Yeah, the song was, I can see the bassist here. Is that you over there? Yeah, and I know Joe's here as well. Yes, hello. Awesome, two of the awesome instrumentalists are here now tonight. Yeah, the song was born out of frustration, as James said, born of frustration. Just before we started writing it, we got some really awful feedback, and I was like, I can't write songs. So yeah, it was frustration and anger came out, and we wrote I Need This Like a Hole in the Head, because I've got 3 kids, and yeah, quite often you know, when you've got a week happening where one more thing happens is like the straw that breaks the camel's back. So my favourite mantra at that time was, I need this like a hole in the head. So yeah, when I was doing the dummy lyrics, that's what came out with the rocky sound. Yeah. And we got to go to Rockfield and work with the wonderful instrumentalists, and let's hear it. Let's hear the track. Yeah, there you go. Thanks, guys.
Hope you enjoy.
It's 3 a.m. I can't sleep. You're lighting up my phone just to tell me one more thing. I'm blue, you're green. If I write you a line, you'll send me 23. I need this like a hole in the head. Thought I had it all in my head. I need this like falling off a cliff or slipping out of my grasp. We fell straight in, we locked on tight. Turn my back, you cast your net wide. Pounding in my skull feels like I'm drowning. I count shots drawing in. I need this like a hole in the head. Thought I had it all in my head. I need this like falling off a cliff or slipping out of my grasp. Dragging me down, dragging me down. Drag the bottom of the ocean for me now. Oh, I need this like a hole in the head. Thought I had it all in my head. I need this like falling off a cliff or slipping out of my grasp. I need this like a hole in the head. Thought I had it all in my head. I need this like falling off a cliff or slipping out of my grasp.
Yeah, good evening. I'm Joe, and for tonight, these are my Mountaineers. The song we're going to be playing firstly is called The Misadventures of Solomon Grumpy. I originally wrote it with guitarist Cole Gifford, who is currently having his boots filled by Dan Maloney here of Statues of Men. He couldn't be here tonight. We're also playing this song with a band called Ceridwen's Cauldron. Me, Cole, and then Jude and Hope are members of that band. So that's going to be the rendition we're playing for you tonight. I truly hope you enjoy. I think we're ready.
The sun was shining yesterday. I thought the sky still looked a little grey. Decided I'd take a trek to the shops, but no semi-skimmed, only the blue tops. When I got home, I saw the bins had been blown to the ground. It's not like anything had fallen out. It just don't look tidy with everything and laying around.
Cheer up, Solomon, at least you're not dead. Try to wake up on the right side of bed. The road ain't always gonna be so grumpy. Cheer up, Solomon, grumpy.
Ah, shut up. Around the barbers in the morning, I got myself up nice and early. Straight after, me hair looked fine, but now I've showered, it's gone all curly. So I fancy a bottle of pop,
A bottle of pop.
but I couldn't get the lid off at all. And now me fingers, well, they're just a little bit sore. Downloading everyone.
Cheer up, Solomon, at least you're not dead. Try to wake up on the right side of bed. The road ain't always gonna be so bumpy. Cheer up, Solomon, grumpy.
Ah, whatever. Shut up.
Thank you. Hello. We're Slums. This song's called Waiting. We wrote it. It's about waiting for somebody who's taken a very long time. And here it goes.
searching for some friendly eye, searching for some friends of mine. I've been waiting a long, long time. I've been waiting all my life, searching for some friendly eyes, searching for some friends of mine. I've been waiting a long, long time. I've been waiting all my life, searching for some friendly eyes, searching for some friends of mine. I've been waiting a long, long time. I've been waiting all my life. I've been waiting so long for you in this prison, waiting so long for you in this prison, waiting. I've been waiting so long for you in this prison, waiting, 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 waiting.
Call myself with your name in my mouth again. It happens all the time. I'm stuck in the tide of what I said and what you're doing. In the end, all I needed was a friend. And down you crossed that line. It's not the first time. 'Cause you don't know the way in which you choke my self-control. I found my high and counted memory, yeah! Let me know if you think that I'm being strange, but there's something about your face that makes it hard to pick another preacher. It's okay, I'm insane, are you still around? A man on every sound, for another excuse now, yeah! You don't know the way in which you control my self-control. I leave my mind behind to walk you home. Like you dance between my dreams when I'm alone. I find my high and counted memories. Good evening, we are Statues of Men. Control. I live